Hello and welcome to this Thursday morning edition of Construction News. Please give a warm welcome to my co-wanker Matthew White. So Matthew, what's on the program this morning?
Well Peter, this morning we're taking a detailed look into the Flinders University Student Hub redevelopment. Our roving reporter Josh May is in the field standing by to guide us through the core construction elements. Josh, are you there?
Yes, Matthew. I'm standing here at the Flinders University Student Hub. Lend-Lease commenced this $50 million project in October 2014. The project consists of the redevelopment and refurbishment of two structures located within the Bedford Park University campus. The development includes a new 4-storey administration building with a sustainable rooftop garden, a new 3-storey enclosed mall, and the refurbishment of the existing union building and one level of the library. New quiet study spaces, collaborative group lounges and conference facilities are also a part of the redevelopment, as is the addition of new bars, food and beverage outlets and a function centre and retail.
So Josh, building on an active university campus must have caused severe issues.
True, Matthew. You see just behind me, the steelwork is being erected. This is the location of the former registry building. This building was scheduled for removal during the holidays for the safety and students and staff. As there was no access for the removal of these buildings, a haulage road was constructed to access the site.
So Joshua, scheduling large-scale projects can sometimes prove problematic. How's scheduling performance been on site?
Yeah, Peter, the preliminary works caused significant delays as notifying the 20,000 building occupants of various utility shutdowns delayed excavation site works. The utility shutdowns were required as the existing services that supplied the entire campus ran directly through the central corridor of the construction site. While I've got the viewers' attention, why don't we take a look inside? A section on the ground floor has been allocated to Lend-Lease as a site office. Amenities for workers are located on the 3rd floor of the mall building. They are reusing the old university building's toilet block. A lunchroom has been set up nearby with fridges and fresh water for the benefit of workers. Demolition was conducted by Royal Park Salvage using a 47-ton munching excavator. Surprisingly, all buildings use conventional ground floor footings and slabs, not tension slab. Spiral tube formwork formed the columns and Meaver deck form ply formwork was installed to create the form table to pour the suspended slabs. Slab curing times varied, with the first suspended slab only curing to 9% strength, contrasting the upper slab's 90% requirement. Other concrete aspects of interest in the Union building were the in-situ concrete shear walls that brought the old buildings up to earthquakes codes and slab void infills that were reinstated to change the purpose of the floor layout. Contrasting this method was the structural steel frame of the Union and Mall extensions. These frames were selected for their quick installation process. The reinforced concrete slabs for these buildings were installed using King Form bond deck, which is specifically engineered to not require formwork propping. The rooftop barbecue area of the registry building uses a concrete slab finished with falls to allow for drainage. The drainage system is concealed beneath a floating paver system. The pavers sit on a grid of chairs that provide a gap between paver and slab, allowing the water to drain. Exposed surface cavities have been used to achieve a modern look. The unibar, for instance, is left open, so they have insulated the slab and will spray the entire ceiling space black so that surfaces and the upper slab blend into the backdrop. Cladding of the registry building includes glass cassettes lifted into place from a rooftop spider crane. Conversely, silicone sealed glass with stainless steel patch fittings will clad the Union and Mall buildings. Can you guys just run the video for the interiors package?
Sorry about this, guys. This is really embarrassing. Josh was telling me that he had a big night on the curry last night, so he's having some problems. The only thing he wanted me to talk to you about was the 5 inclement weather days that have been claimed up to this point. Of course, with the change in season, things are about to get a lot wetter around here. Back to you boys in the studio.
That's all from Thursday morning construction news. Peter?
Until next week, students, keep on erecting.